of my ideological orientation, the honorable member has mentioned that on the 14th of January 2015, I raised issues with the grabbing of Langata Primary School land and whether or not I still hold the same position. Now, I'm a strong believer in good governance, Mr. Chairman, and the issues that I raised at that point in time perhaps brought this issue into the public domain. I believe that these issues are now before the courts of law, and we need to wait for our judicial system to bring this to a logical conclusion, Mr. Chairman. Now, as much as we need to hold dear the principles of good governance, I, in the same vein, believe that we need to allow independent institutions, Mr. Chairman, to execute their mandate without any undue influence from any sector in government. And if institutions are independent, let us not have any other arm of government interfering in the independent institutions or the operations of those independent institutions. So I believe that the institutions which are charged with this responsibility will execute their mandate with respect to this case to a logical conclusion. And at that point in time, we will stand guided accordingly, Mr. Chairman. There's also the issue of I having been summoned to the CID headquarters on 16th of July 2013 on alleged matters of having some intentions to destabilize the then Jubilee government. Mr. Chairman, it is indeed true that those summons were issued one morning. I got those summons. I organized myself quickly and reported